today and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make a Texas style burger, and we're doing first outdoor episode, and we're doing a barbecue burger today. So first thing here, let's fire it up. And what I'm using here, I'm using 80-20 ground beef, which is 80% lean, 20% fat, and this is the best beef for your hamburger. And I have some sriracha sauce, panko breadcrumb, garlic powder, ketchup, and of course salt and pepper, olive oil, hickory liquid smoke, few drop. Give it a little mix. Make sure you're gonna mix it very well. Beautiful, nice mix. Now I'm using a clear film here, and I'm gonna use the ice cream scoop, about 6-7 ounce each. Put it in the middle. You can use your hand, but me, I'm just using a clear film. Let's put this away. Voila, now work comfortably here. Beautiful. You can use the oil to brush the barbecue, or you can use cooking spray, but be careful when you use cooking spray not to come close to the fire. See that? Beautiful. Now let's place the burger. Voila, and very important for the burger, only flip it twice. So you put it like about 3-4 minutes, depends on the thickness, and then you flip it once, and that's it. Lovely. Now in the meantime, waiting for the burger, I want to make some caramelized onion and cabbage. Thinly sliced. Voila. Olive oil in your frying pan. Beautiful. Now we're gonna caramelize those. You can add some salt and pepper to it. Our burgers ready to be flipped. Lovely. See that? Now let's grill the buns as well. Give it a little warm it up and give it a little mark. Here we go. We got everything's ready to go. The burger, and very important for the burger to know how to be fully cooked. Always check the middle of the burger. When the blood stop coming out and only clear juice coming out from the middle, that's when your burger good to go. So turn off here. Now we'll add the cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. In the bottom, you can put a little bit, and we don't have to, now it's up to you, you can put mayo or mustard, but with this one you don't need any mayo or mustard. The flavor all in the burger. Beautiful. Now if you want, you can add a little bit on top as well. And the top bun. Voila! Texas style burger. It's all yours to enjoy. And thank you for watching, especially the first episode of the outdoor. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.